Mature Design. My name is Andrea Vitor Hernandez. I am from Cucuta and 20 years old. I study foreign language in UNA. I'm working with my mom in her job. Well, I'm going to resolving the question of the first tab of this course. Okay? Question A. What was the causation of the material below decade ago? According to the text, for many decades, the behavior of the meteor was simply that the production that accompanied a wide rate of learning results to illustrate method. However, things have started to change due to the awareness of teachers on two issues. First, the great production in the interest of the materials and the materials used for teaching, and the second, the importance of the current student voice to update teaching material in the term of how students would like to learn and what they need to learn in today's increasing global world. B. Question B. What does below material demand for from teacher give the less seat demand and spread them? Okay. According to the margin quality of the teacher, to me, the demand for the below of the material. I'm gonna to taste it and spread it. First, able to see students as wholly unique individuals. That we as teachers see it one of the are different and have different conception and with much understand and respect them. Two, second, fun of the facility and learning process avoiding their frustration. That we as education find a way to facilitate and learn process, thus avoiding our student getting frustration but not understand. Third, waiting to the devote time to teach with louder. This is not to do class where the students see a robot teacher but see their teacher throw the early breeze at the word of the hope for them. 4. Ready to innovate and their teaching practice. This is how we as teachers must be willing to change our practice our day in since every year or day our students have different needs. Fifth, waiting to take a made teaching decision. This is how it made decision when the occasion warrants. Sixth, keep on the present attempt to perform tasks in different ways. This is how is to do our craft and segment to our student in different way so that is no more integrated into the class. Question C. What are the components of the creative adapting didactic learning material? In the follow list the present, the text and the material below much hot. 1. Achieving proud through novel variety and tertiary presentation and appearing content. 2. Her learn fit at the age. 3. Her learning below her confidence. 4. Be perceived as relevant and useful by learning. 5. Facilitate students' self-involvement with aids and learning is made efficient use of the result and further self-discovery. C. Attain reading and the answer by candor There is need for long-term input since the factor what the learning are already familiar with, but that also contain the potential for allocation of the element of the input with each learner might or might not be ready to learn. 7. During learning, conception or subconception tend to linguistic factor so that they become aware of the gap between the partial failure and their nature of first language and the third layer language theory. 1978. 8. Provide opportunity for communication abroad in the air too, thereby foreign language use not just say at the point out of channel and string. 1980. 9. Take into the concern that for lending to temporary learning may be able to read certain information to retry in front short-term memory or the production when it incorporated by the teacher of the material. But this does not mean that learning has taken place. Elif, 1997. 10. Take into account different student different learning styles such as visual audition, cognition, analysis, experience, global, depend, independent, etc. And suggested by Horizon 11. Reach regard student emotion of the first string. How do I bird and its grade. 1982. 12. A love for the silent period of the onset and instruction still learning has a guilt and suffering exposed to third language and the confidence and understand. 13. Start less and right brain return through and intellectual actor and emotional environment with the left side of our brain process speed analysis time sequencing and recognize letter number word right process creative partnering spatial awareness and content and the organic phrase praise and object and informative by Horizon 1998. 14. Offer print of free practice as Ellis in 1990. 15. Provide opportunity for account feedback. The foreign aspect we would like to address has to do with the fundamental element that must be taken into consideration for develop and teach and learn material. This and last question is, in your opinion, why the personal role of the teacher when designing language learning material? In my opinion, where the furious teacher have to be clear that we're going to educate the future generation of the Colombian to enter a most important role when we want to design education machine is that we are clear about the different through and knowledge that our students have. Since everything does not have the same level in the language and create material that is exploring all the ability and their ability. Thank you for your attention.